Intensive practice 4.3, question 6. Given that log 5 2 is m, log 5 7 is p, express log 5 4.9. Okay, so decimals is quite hard to deal with, so we can change it to a fraction. The easiest way to change into fraction, we just use our calculator. So you type 4.9 in your calculator, you press equals, your calculator gives you the fraction. So we get 49 over 10. Right. So in this question, we have 5, 2, and 7. So these are our numbers. We have to somehow bring these numbers into this fraction. Okay. Oops. Okay. 49 is just 7 square, and 10 will be 2 times 5. Okay, so you see we use 2, 5, and 7 to make this 49 out of 10. Okay. Now we try to split it. So when you have divide, it becomes minus. So log 5 7 square minus log 5 2 plus log 5 5. Okay, these times will become plus. Okay, don't forget this bracket because this one divided by this plus this. Sorry, this one divided by this times this. So these two you must put it in the bracket. Okay. Now we have this power, we can bring it down. So this becomes 2 log 5 7 minus log 5 2 minus log 5 5. Okay, I try to expand the bracket now. Okay, log 5 7 is p, so this is 2p. Log 5 2 is m, so this will be m, and log 5 5 is just 1. So this will be our final answer. Done. Okay, so this is p, this is m, and this will just reduce to 1, 5 5. If you have 6 6, also same. Okay, if these two numbers are the same, it becomes 1. That's it.